Hey guys, Craig here again with howtopest.com. Today we're bringing you PT 565 Plus XLO. That's a mouthful. Any of you looking for a flush, a knockdown, or a contact insecticide, this is your product. Guys, this isn't going to leave a residual, so it's not something that's going to give you a long-term effect. It's something you're going to use when you need to get a problem taken care of immediately. This is great for you PCOs on your inspections. You carry this with you and you find a problem, you just take care of it real quick. The can comes, as you can see. When you open the can, you're going to find the nozzle that is on there. You're also going to find a straw, and you're going to find an additional nozzle. If you need to use the straw, you're going to pull off the nozzle that comes on the can, place the adaptive nozzle on there, which will hold the straw. The straw will slip right into that one. That's going to be more for your crack and crevice type treatments. How do you use this stuff? It's pressurized. PT stands for pressurized technology. So it's basically geared towards about 35 types of insects. This is going to kill anything from your bees, gnats, etc., etc. Read the label to give you a full list of those 35 insects that it will kill. Now let's go over a couple things with this. When using this indoors, anytime you have a fish tank, you're going to want to unplug that fish tank to stop that pump from running. You're going to want to cover it. You're going to want to remove any pets from the area, birds, cats, dogs. Once you spray this as either a spot treatment, or if you treat this as a room treatment, you're going to want to kind of back out of the room as you're spraying. The general rule on this is going to be anywhere from 1 to 3 seconds all the way up to 10-second bursts. The reason it varies like that, it depends on what you're doing and what you're going after. So read the label to find out how long you're going to disperse this as you back out of the room, mainly for the space treatments. So going back and forth 1 to 3 seconds, kind of like that, back yourself out. Keep everybody out of the treated area for at least 15 minutes. That's going to be what's on the label. Go a little overboard and go 30. It's not going to hurt anybody. It just lets it dissipate down to the ground. Never spray this until it's wet. Excuse me, got to swallow. You don't want to spray this where it's dripping off of a product. Also, this is going to be very toxic to bees. So outside treatments, they're pretty much labeled for against the outdoor surface. You're not spraying this out on your bushes and stuff. You want to stay away from anywhere the bees are foraging, any blooming flowers, etc., things like that. It's really better of an indoor type product, or did I say that right? It's a better indoor product than it is an outdoor product. But once again, it's going to be for a quick knockdown contact, not a residual. It's a flushing agent. It is a pyrethroid, which basically means it is going to flush them out of areas that they are in. So if you need a flushing agent or you need a quick knockdown, this is a great tool for your arsenal. If you have any questions on PT 565 Plus, just give us a holler at howtopest.com and follow our videos and like them. Thanks, guys.